Hello everyone, want to deck out your Discord profile with some slick Valorant decorations? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to grab these awesome avatar decorations and profile effects. Let's lock in. First, fire up Discord on your desktop or browser, no mobile for this one. You'll see the main screen, look to the left sidebar, and spot the shop tab near the top left, right under the Discord logo. Click it, and boom, you're in the Discord shop. Scroll to the top. Valorant stuff is usually featured if it's available. Look for avatar decoration like Jet's Blade or profile effects like Cloves Roost. If nothing's there, then check back later. Some items are limited time drops. Click an item to preview it on your profile. Love it? Awesome. They're usually $15.99 or $11.99 with Nitro. Pick your favorite and maybe Omen's Cowl or an Ace effect. Hit purchase or gift if you're feeling generous and then follow the payment prompts. Done? It's yours forever, even after it leaves the shop. Head to the Users tab, bottom left cogwheel, click Profiles, then change Decoration or Edit Profile. Select your new Valorant gear, save it, and you're set. Quick tip, check gift inventory in user settings for Valorant quests. Play 15 minutes of Valorant and you might snag freebies like the Wingman decoration. Link your console if needed. That's it guys, you're now repping Valorant on Discord. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more, and let me know your favorite agent in the comments. Catch you in the next one.